Hello there and welcome back to the web program video series. In this video, we're going to discuss about the product viewing and product removing in our card.php file. So we're going to talk about the backend here. So the product viewing means that we have to show the card with the product data like the product image and then the seller name, and we also have to show the product title, then the product color, product category, product condition, product price, quantity, and the delivery fee as well. Later on we also have to show two buttons, that is the buy now and remove button, and then we have to show the requested total as well, and then we have to show the summary as well. So let's talk about clicking the buy now button. So once you click the buy now button, the product is bought by the customer, and if it is the remove button is pressed, the product is deleted from the cart. So now let's talk about the code. So this is the add to cart process.php. So this is the process we are going to discuss. So we start with the session, and then we take the database credentials, and then we check for the user's email, and we check for the product ID. So our cart has the product ID and the user's email to differentiate from each user emails and the products. So only the products which are added by this user are shown in the cart.php. So once you go down, you can see that if the product quantity is greater than a new quantity, it will update the cart with the new quantity, and it will show that product has been updated. If that quantity is not available, it will show that it is an invalid quantity. So later, otherwise it will insert into the cart. If there is no issue in the product quantity, it will insert a new data into the cart if there is a new entity. Now let's talk about the cart.php. There are a few key points within this page. So here we are displaying the seller name. So we are echoing the seller from the user database. So we have inner joined the product with our user, and down we have also taken the product data, and we have taken this as a fetches of array, and we are displaying the data from the database, and we are also displaying the title, then the price, the quantity, everything are taken from a fetches of array. When the remove button is pressed, delete from cart function is called with the ID as cart ID as a parameter. So when we begin further, now let's go to the summary area, where I had shown you that there were the number of items. So we have taken the cart num, so number of cart items within the database, and then the total and the shipping, and the main total is calculated by adding the shipping and the subtotal, and later on we have the checkout button, which will take us to the pay here. And now let's discuss about the JavaScript function, that is add to cart. So I have taken the ID as the parameter, and within that I am using an AJAX request, and we are using the add to cart process.php. So we already discussed about the process.php. So we are sending everything through a get request. So this is the total function. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video.